Om Shri Sai Ram. Happy Baba's Day to all. I'm sharing heart-touching experience of a Sai sister. She has shared her life-changing experience with all of us and have convinced through her experience that completely refuse at Baba's feet can only change our life. I am sharing my experience. I always used to read other experience on various groups and wonder when I will write my own experience. Always prayed to Baba, please do some miracle in our life also. I came to know about Baba from my mother, who is a very great devotee of Sai at very earlier age. We used to do Sai Kirtan on every Thursday at our home. I then moved to some other place for my studies and continued the devotion to Sai Ram there also. It can be called my bad karma, or so I prayed to Baba wholeheartedly in those days, but my wishes didn't get fulfilled through Baba gave me other things more valuable in studies. But I could not understand and my devotion failed, and I took refuge of another Siddh Yoga and started talking to their names. I had so much devotion, but somehow after 2 to 3 years, my bad time started and I stopped worshipping. Even after a very good degree, I couldn't get job for 2 years and I was in a depression. Lately, I got job and then my marriage was fixed. But I have a problem that he is too big but not the small and did not know whether to tell my loss or not. My mother again asked me to keep faith in Sai Baba. I came to my in-laws' home and there I started searching for Sai Baba's miracles and I got plenty of them. I found that by reading Sri Sai Satcharitra, our wishes are fulfilled. I wanted this book and easily got it by Sai Kripa. Now I started reading the book and kept 9 worth of Sai. My husband is abroad and I easily got visa within few days and I came to foreign country. Here I continued doing Sai Vrat and reading Sri Sai Satcharitra. My husband was doing very bad job and seeing this I felt bad. I always prayed to Sai to give him a good job. He then had affair with some girl for the past 9 or 10 years. She refused to marry him but he was still in her memories and whenever I used to ask, he abused her. Though he was very good natured with me and always took care of me, he always reminded in depression for not getting good job according to his qualification. Then I always told him, have faith in Baba and you will get a job. Whenever there was interview, I always gave him Vibhuti of Baba and prayed to Baba to please give him job so that he become your devotee too. In the meantime, I got lots of dreams of Sai Baba as if he is talking to me or giving me Vibhuti etc. Some months passed and nothing happened. I kept on keeping fast and also by Shraddha got little low as health problem still pretended and I could not share it with my husband also. After some time a very good interview call came better than other calls received. And in an international company, I prayed to Baba, please do some miracles and my husband will also keep fast. The day he kept his first fast, his girlfriend called me and abused my husband and said very bad things and asked me to leave him because she now wanted to come back, I guess. I was heartbroken by finding that he still was messaging her and I loved him so much from my heart. He had given a special place to her in his life that never understood what I was doing for him. When I called him, told about her phone call, he rushed back and called her back. She abused him as well and called him beggar. When he asked why didn't she marry him when he always wanted, she said, I did not want to marry a loser in life and you have married your wife with cheating only. Then he knew her reality, what she used to think of him. And this all happened with grace of Baba as I always prayed Baba, Please, whoever that girl is, please show real face and make him realize my value. He used to drink and smoke a lot. Whenever I asked him, he said, I am trying to leave it, and I came from a family where these things are not touched. Though he was very caring for me and took care of a very small needs too, I really wanted him to change. After that phone call on his first breath, he could differentiate between both of us. I never asked anything from him, and now he never reminds her and also loves me and has given a special place in his heart for each every woman craves. Now he was became such devotee of Sai also for opening his eyes. Main miracle happened when he attended interview that did not got well. He called me and told that even this interview was bad, but I prayed to Sai and asked him to keep faith in my next day result came. The company was very happy at this performance. Call of his girlfriend came the next day of this call. So obviously his faith grew more stronger in life. After a gratitude of few days, I was again able to get calm with Baba's grace. Few days passed and he got offer letter of the dream job. He would never have thought, and that too in a very big company, a salary quite unimaginable. So everything happened because of Sai. And also Sai helped in every respect by showing the true face of another's, for which my husband used to fight with me. Now his eyes was wide open. Thank you, Baba. Thank you for everything. My life was changed by reading Sri Sai Satcharitra. Om Shri Sai Ram.